Hello everyone, welcome to Ashok IT. In this video, we will learn how to reverse given string using Python program. And read data from the user, assign into one variable, input str equal to, I'm reading input from the user using input method, enter any string, enter any string. User entered one input string, just assumption that is Python entered guys. So this Python I want to do reversing. So for that, first create one empty string variable with the name reverse reverse string with empty guys. Empty string in Python using quotations we are creating. Yes. Next, create one for loop accessing each value from the given string guys. From I in input str means given string. Each character getting into I. Now this I value concatenating to this reverse string guys. So now reverse str equal to I plus reverse str, reverse string. So after this loop repeating as after this loop multiple times repeating, then finally we are getting reverse string. Print this reverse string using print function. Save this one and execute guys. So open the console and execute Python program with the Python space file name .py. Enter now your string Python and now reverse string we got it guys. Python I entered and this one reverse string printed guys. YP. This is our output reverse string. That's it. Now I will explain what is happening here guys. Clear this one? Yes. So in this loop guys, in this first iteration, in this first iteration, in this first iteration, I value is P guys. I value is P letter. I value is P. Now I plus reverse str, nothing but P plus P plus reverse str is empty string guys. Empty string. Got it? And finally, we are getting string type substring as a string type related with the P letter substring. We got it. Next, in this second iteration, guys, in this second iteration, in this second iteration, I value is Y letter, guys. I value is Y letter. For example, string format only we can take it. And now here I plus reverse str executing. So because of this one, so string type Y plus already in the reverse str, so we have P letter. Then finally it is becoming like YP guys, YP. This is in second iteration. This is the we are storing into this reverse string variable only for every iteration. Next guys, in third iteration, iteration, I value is T letter guys. I value is T. So that's why T T plus already in the reverse string YP is there. So then finally we are getting TYP guys. Understanding? Like all the iterations repeatedly executing, finally reverse string we are getting guys. So for example, in the fourth iteration, guys, in the fourth iteration, what is happening? I value is H letter guys. I value is H letter. Then here I plus reverse str, it means H plus already in the reverse str TYP is there. Then finally after concatenating, then HTYP generating, and that is we are storing into the reverse str variable again, reverse str variable. And next in the fifth iteration, guys, in the fifth iteration, in the fifth iteration, I value is O letter, guys. I value is O letter. Then O plus I value is O plus reverse string is already HTYYP is there. So then finally we are getting OHTYP letter. Understanding? And one more iteration there. I mean, in this thing totally 6 characters there. That's why 6 iterations important, guys. 6 iterations important. In the sixth iteration, in the sixth iteration, in the sixth iteration, guys. Now here, I value is n letter. That's why I plus reverse string we are executing inside the for loop. So n plus already reverse string contains O H T Y P. Then finally after concatenating, so we are getting N O H T Y P. So this is final string I saw. Okay. And the seventh iteration trying to executing. So input string not having any values. Input string not having any values for the seventh iteration. That's why for loop stopping, coming to the outside the for loop and printing this reverse string related output, guys. So then we are getting this NOHTYP. Clear this one? Yes. So this is our output, guys. So you need to understanding these all iterations properly, then easily you can identify the answers. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel to get more updates on Python.